again, because a threat was softly creeping upon our fields while we were reaping. This trespass now planted in my brain, it still remains and stirred the sound of violence. In restless march we weren't alone, on roads of dirt and cobblestone. Neath the halo of a torchlight, camped in tent rows through the freezing night. Then our ears were stabbed by a roar of battle cry. It split the night and touched the sound of violence. And in the naked light I saw 10,000 warriors, maybe more. They were marching without reason, and we stood to meet their treason. And the bards wrote songs that voices never shared, for no one dared to stir the sound of violence. Wave on wave they charged to die, glinting steel and battle cries. Shields collided in the battle, brave men fell in line like cattle, and their blood like violent raindrops fell and echoed in the sounds of violence. And their survivors bowed and prayed to the god of war they made. Funeral pyres were a warning to any challenger that's forming, and our scars became words from the prophets upon our skin to mark this win as won by the sound of violence.
Yeah, you got it. Sounded like it.